Everything that I've done in my life, I feel like has led to what I'm doing now. I enjoy this work because it's tangible. My name's Kyle Stuart. I'm from Custer, Michigan, and this is my field trip. Creating something out of wood has always been really part of who I am. I loved it from the start. I grew up on an organic farm, really taught me how to problem solve and find something to do. When I first came out to California, I was 19. I worked as a personal trainer, was a valet driver, just whatever I could do to pay the bills. But luckily I'm surrounded by good people. I fell into making the signs on a whim. My brother and I, we got hired by the RV park to do a bunch of handyman work, and they asked us, can you guys make signs? And we're like, yeah. We never made a sign in our lives. We bought a handheld router. We made one, and I got hooked. This sign right here, it's made out of redwood. Could use a little touch up. That's what started it all, and then from here we moved on to even bigger signs. If it wasn't for the RV park, there would be no cover all signs. We were able to build a number of owl boxes made out of plywood that was in the trash. So when people are throwing stuff away, we see it and can make something out of it. Yeah, it's still a learning process for us. I do see myself doing this for a long time. All the different jobs that I've had and nothing really stuck, and that's okay. Like, you can fail at something and move on and try something else. I ran a restaurant for 4 years, had 20 employees. We did this sign about 4 months ago. All the people that helped us put it together, like, appreciate all you guys. Working with the customer and them seeing their logo or something they thought of, created, and when I hand it to them, that's worth doing this job. On the sign that we're making, the first thing we're gonna do is cut it to size. Once it's sanded and smooth, we'll put a coat of shellac on it. When that dries, we'll cut a piece of vinyl and apply that to the piece of wood. Then we put the wood on the table and we cut right through the vinyl into the wood. We'll do 2 coats of paint. Once that dries, we peel the vinyl and then we shellac the rest of the sign. From there, we'll put hardware on the back of it and deliver it to the customer. For my job to be able to work with wood, I'm incredibly lucky.
Are you happy?
Yeah, I'm happy. I'm happy with what I'm doing. I'm right next to the beach. Malibu First Pointer, right over there. I wouldn't be where I'm at today if it wasn't for my family back in Michigan. So huge shout out to them. Go Blue!
Swag. It's a good dog name. Cowboy Swag. Wow.